Hello YouTube, it's me Moist Andy. So on this Tuesday afternoon, I'm having fun and I was gonna clean my thing. This is the first time I brought this. This is my ride. Yeah, I have been riding it around Virginia all summer. It's pretty cool. It's just a little dirty. I thought I'd clean it with just a little bit of Windex, you know, especially right along here. Nice and greasy in here. I don't want to wipe the grease off any of the gears. I'm just gonna clean the frame paint. All right, now, well, I've been trying to decorate the balcony as best as possible, just with like paper and cardboard. Oh yes. Okay. Oh, it has to be on top of the banana. Oh, okay. Yeah. I've just been trying to decorate the balcony. You can see inside these boxes there's a natural seam. If you can get to it, that's the way they construct it. Just like a butcher, you see. Now, just like the Virginia flag or something, I claimed this piece of Falls Church, my own, in commemoration of my bicycle. I've consecrated. This is the sacred liturgical anointing. Now I have been ordained into a saint. I'm now a saint of the bicycle community of Virginia and Falls Church. This is how a redneck decorates his balcony. I never really had anything here before. And now I just need to brush a little bit of that grease. Just need to get a little bit, some of Windex. This is the secret. I'm gonna clean my ride using not the paper towels are just to wipe off the grease after, but to cleanse. What I need is this nice brush. This will enable me to get a good clean ride. I deserve to ride on something like that. You like that view? be good, plenty coverage. I just don't want to make a mess, right? That's what I was trying to get, like a sheet. All right. Man, I've been waiting to do this for about the whole year that I've been riding this thing. I really only needed to bring this bicycle here just because I was getting some work done on my car. One of the hubs is squeaking on the highway. Well, I don't want it to wipe off any grease off of my chain and gears, only like the frame paint. It's a little bit lonely, I would admit, to be up in this tower all alone, but as long as I can continue producing like good content, then I'll be all good. Look, it's better already. I focus right on top of that chain stays. I just should get maybe a bottle of lube somewhere while I'm riding, maybe, and hide it in the forest whenever I need some lubrication, like on the road. It can be messy though sometimes to store it. Usually I keep a bottle in my car, right behind the spare tire in my Jeep. I also want to get all the parts that I didn't see before, all behind. This process, it just loosens up that grease. And obviously that, I'll wipe it off with a paper towel. That's mostly everything I can see though. That's all I can get to, probably. It's still moist. Just get all the junk off of it the rest of the way. Right in these little crevices, it seems like that's where it collects more. Right behind the pinion in this cassette is where a lot of the grease collects. The accumulation I needed to get that was off of the frame paint for the most part. Ew. This is from like a whole month of riding without even wiping it at all. Or I don't know, because I take it out like once a day, but I typically actually don't go very far unless I've got loads of stamina. This is the process that I was, and a lot of dirt here too. Oh yeah, that's mostly what I was hoping to accomplish here. It's nice weather. It's been so freezing cold all week, and now on on Tuesday. It's 65 degrees or something. I like it so much. It's so nice. I cooked all kind of food last night. The fridge is full of nice things to eat. So bye-bye, YouTube. I hope that you have a nice time. It's me, Moist Andy. See you later. Bye-bye.